Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy things from H&M online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC, laptop or mobile device and then type in H&M, and then from here click on to hm.com. And then you'll be brought to this page. So click on your region if you're in Africa, Europe, Middle East or North and South America or Oceania. I'm from Australia, so I'm going to click on Australia. Now give that a few moments to load. You can accept all cookies. So I'm going to demonstrate how to make a purchase from here. So I'm going to click on men. I want to do jeans. I'm going to purchase a pair of jeans from H&M. Alright, gotta find a good pair of jeans. These ones look pretty neat, so I'm gonna click on that. Now I'm gonna get the size right. 36/32, add to cart, $69. And then as you can see in your shopping bag here, it's got one item in. So if you click into that, you can remove and add items from here. So I'm going to click on continue to checkout. Got relaxed jeans, and now from here you got to enter your email address, so I'll do that now. Then click on continue. Once that is done, continue to checkout. Give it a few moments to load. Alright, so it's going to let me choose a password and first name last name, so alright, I'll go and fill that out now. I'll put in all this stuff, click on save. As you can see, it's almost done. Save. I'm gonna have to put an address here, so I'm just gonna put in a random address. Alright, I've added in the billing address or shipping address. Alright, do standard delivery or express. I'm gonna do standard. Add in your phone number. Then once you've done that, you can continue to making the purchase. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to buy from H&M online. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.